Hey guys, what's going on? It's me again. I'm here in Hawaii this time. I'm having a blast. I just want to share with you guys a little bit of what's happening. Yesterday was so scary, you guys. I had a little incident. I almost got dragged into the ocean by a rogue wave. It was so scary, you guys, but I'm alive. I'm fine. And yes, so stay tuned because I have some really amazing adventures coming up. And yeah, so I'm gonna share with you guys, give you guys an advice, this little clip. It's a little scary, but hey, I'm here. So stay tuned, a lot coming up.